Hi, I'm Sonny Austin, store manager of Charlotte MRO Stop. I'd like to talk with you for just a couple minutes about hose failure. One thing we see in the store periodically is a hose that's has been pushed past its bend radius. Now, what that means is that this hose, for instance, may be designed to flex this amount, but has been put in a situation where it flexes this amount. And what happens there is the braid inside the hose gets stretched here and compressed here. Also, the flow path for fluid gets restricted as it makes this turn. This will can lead to a failure. Actually, a lot of times you'll see a hose blow out this way because the fluid's trying to be forced straight through, and it'll usually pops a hole here in this side of the hose. There are hoses available that have smaller bend radiuses, but also may require rerouting to avoid this condition. Another thing that we see a lot here at the store is abrasion. You can see that the hose cover has been abraded, probably rubbing against a piece of steel or maybe on a frame rail, and it's rubbed all the way through the cover and into the actual steel braid itself. And then there's also another rub up here. That's going to lead to obvious hose failure. A good solution for a problem like that is to look at protecting the hose before it's installed with some sort of a hose guard. There is a cloth protector out. This is the Parker AS-B cloth. It's a heavy braid nylon, obviously very flexible. But it's there to help keep rubbing. You can put it in between hoses when hoses rub together or when they rub up against another piece of the equipment. Also available is a protective hose guard wrap. It's a heavy plastic spiral wrap, so you can maintain flexibility. It's very good for rub protection, and also from protection against article, maybe a piece of equipment or something running into the hose. We also have available spring guard, which has another level of protection for people possibly having to touch this hose if it's hot by any chance, and also protection against rub as well. Appreciate your time today. Thanks a lot.